Or you just cheated.
This is Death Knight channel, and somebody wanted me to do another video. Do you want to teach me what?
Do you want to teach me how to walk on?
Alright, one sec.
Damn!
Watch out, boys. I got this, man.
Oh my gosh! Yo, my leg hurts so bad. Yeah, twin? Oh, shit. That is us.
Oh
My arms hurt. I'm about to just give up.
GG.
My arms hurt. Twin. House. Go to tree house. So we can find each other.
What do you mean I'm trapped?
Yeah, go to tree house. Bro. My arms hurt.
People are so gay. You guys are fucking niggers, you know?
Hey! Please don't say that.
Come here, blue monkey. Ow! Wait! Ow! Then I suck. No, you really tiny.
Lowercase a. Okay, lowercase d. Uppercase straight to the wall.
Faggot.
No,
I didn't see you. That's not fair.
Alright, D. Lowercase h.
I'm gonna kill you, blue. I'm gonna kill you.
Lowercase
No,
o.
blue.
Right on your ass. And you?
No, and
Oh my god, blue is so good,
so
bro.
like
Oh, GG.
M-A-D-H-O-U.
What's up, guys? H. Okay, I
Wow,
got you.
blue.
GG. I had to do my controller.
Z.
GG.
Blue is so good.
So the first letter that I told you should be the only uppercase.
Yo, Blue, do you know how to spider
Wait,
roll?
do you look like a blue character, like a blue stick? Yeah, it's like a blue girl, like fading away. Alright, here. I added
Blue, do
you.
you know how to
My
spider
name
roll?
should be Shoot. I know. It should be, my account should be a purple gorilla. It'll rather say green buddy underscore gorilla VR. Yeah, that's it.
Man, you're good. Wait.
Okay.
Behind you.
Alright.
Wait for me.
You started following me. Alright, yeah. Alright, no, we're fine.
Bank, me and you, bro. Me and you, Bank. Come here.
Where did y'all go? Oh, he's over there.
Oh, never mind. Green, me and you. You break my ankles, you get 1,000 shiny rocks.
Hold up, bro. Man, I just got glitched.
Guys, get him, bro.
Oh my gosh, bro. Oh my gosh. Get checked, bro. Get checked, bro.
Hey. Oh, no, hold up. No, I'm coming after you for being toxic. Y'all stay back. Nigga, play some games. Don't be toxic in my game, boy. Don't be toxic. Don't be toxic.
Yo, come here, bro. Oh, my twin, bro. My twin, bro.
Come on.
Hello.
Come on, stop being toxic.
Get my twin, bro. Oh my god.
Yo, Demetrius. You're lucky I could get you.
Oh, where is he? Oh, I see him.
Bro, I was begging to be last because I said I was so bad. And then literally I was last.
Get that green monkey.
White.
Oh my god.
I got that green monkey.
Get the
bro. No, I hate you.
Monkey butt.
What is that? What is that?
I didn't tag you.
Yellow flag.
doing, bro?
Yellow flag on you.
Yellow flag. Yellow flag.
Yo, if I tag somebody, I'm gonna say yellow flag.
White, did you say I was toxic?
I think everyone heard that.
I wasn't trying to be toxic. I just told him not to be toxic. That's all what I said.
Ain't no one said you were toxic.
Imagine pooping on yourself. Imagine pooping on yourself.
I tagged White with the freak.
No, you did not.
There's tag lag. Yes, I did. No,
it ain't.
Tag lag. At least I
Please don't look down. I'm too bad.
I tagged one. This isn't I tagged one.
If you're in, tag me last.
Run fast.
Tag me
This
last.
isn't
Please,
fair. I
I'm bad.
tagged one.
No, Yo, twin, I gotta go. I gotta go. I have to take a shower.
So like, oh, she does take a shower when I'm in a match, and like the last one standing bar annoys me. But I have to listen to my mom. I love her.
You're trash.
You do not want to say I do not have long arms. What the fuck is this?
Hey, monkeys, how you doing,
Okay.
monkeys?
I could do that, Jake.
Oh, I don't think you want me to 1v1 you guys. I will smoke you.
Okay,
Let me see
I will
your
smoke you.
Go.
If you so close to me.
Bye.
Woo!
Hey, buddy, get reported, bro. You shouldn't do that. That's toxicity.
Everybody's recording.
You shouldn't do that. Even though you're a new player, you shouldn't
put your
do that.
controllers down. Yo, come here.
Bet.
Put your controllers down on the floor and then stand up.
Not Slayer.
But why though? Okay, bet.
Don't enter.
How do you? Why does yours look like that? It looks like you're shooting a ball.
Are you
Hey
trying
guys, I have a glitch to make your arms like 2 inches longer.
Mine
How?
already
How?
pretty
Tell
long.
me.
Bro.
Glitches, bro.
Ah, I dropped my controller.
I can beat 2 glizzies at once.
Okay, so press your Oculus menu.
Close your eyes.
Did you press your Oculus menu?
Yeah.
Which distance?
No, you didn't. I see your hands moving.
Right now.
Okay. Now. Oh shoot! Wait, I need my battery. It's because I smacked my controller and it fell. Okay, so press your Oculus menu.
Tell this dude back up.
Bro, you know you like it, right? You know you like it. Trying to get some too?
Bet.
I got enough for you too.
Okay,
Oh, heck no.
so press your Oculus menu.
Ankles.
Ankle.
Now press on your time, your Wi-Fi, and your battery.
Okay.
It should be next to your profile picture.
Okay. What do I do now?
Now you press settings in the top. It
Right.
should be in the top right corner.
Okay.
Now go to accessibility.
Okay.
Now go to modability.
Okay.
Now press adjust height.
Okay.
And then you should.
Crazy.
Now what is that controller?
My boy, bro. I thought we were friends.
Jamie can reach us. So if I reach with it just like, bro.
Yeah. Look.
Yo, wait.
Remember me? How you said you'd be better than me?
Nah.
You ain't taking my ankles today. Oh, my ankles. All right, but not for long.
Wait, I'm kind of.
Let mom, bro.
Throw one at me.
That's crazy.
Where'd he go? Oh.
No, it looks like I was wrong.
I could get blue if y'all want me, but y'all have to tag me first.
I want to try to get it.
So sorry.
Hey, monkey.
What was that?
Guys, if you see hey monkeys below me, how you doing, monkeys? Shut up, monkey.
Blue is up there.
Oh, shut up.
Alright, I'll put up. Do it.
Walls are my
Get
friends.
Monkey. Yeah, I'm just joking, bro. Guys, I'm leaving. I'm too bad for this lobby.
Look at Blue right there, bro. You know what he's talking about. You know, he just silly dad.
Alright, guys, that's the video.